So guys, we're rage baiting a little Jimmy over here. Wait, I just missed. So like little Jimmy's a little angry. Okay.
Take the freak back. This outfit is the oldest outfit. Stop it! Oldest
Wait, why didn't I kill him? Can I kill people?
Because you got deleted.
I'm shredding everything I see. Dead serious. Bro, who said you could live? Hey, no. Hunt him. Nah, bro, don't leave. You're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna track your username down. I'm gonna track you down. And bro, you think that offends me?
That was in there.
I can do this too. You're not special. Oh, I see a free item. This.
Yo, my backpack.
Where did it go?
You, fatty.
Bye bye, shithead. I mean, fuckface.
Oh, I want to get a new backpack.
Yeah,
I
goodbye.
want a new backpack.
Hope I never see you again.
But actually, this one,
Wait,
no.
can't
Wait,
speak.
wait. Is this one white one? No.
They just left.
That one, no. Is this one white one?
I don't control people with the nut shredders. Hey, bro, let's team up.
There's your backpack.
Team up.
Got it.
Team up.
Skibbity Phantom Taxer.
I forgot where to say so.
What?
But what are these guys camping about? Hey, bro, what's up? Wait, do not kill me, please do not. I was the guy who was killing little Jimmy. I'm not Red Watch anymore.
Okay, let's just.
Hey, so look, those items are pretty beautiful, you know. Oh yeah, he just killed yours. I'm sorry, but like, you want to see something cool? It's called a bombing thing. Who's Rafa? I'm sorry. I'm sorry it has to end like this.
Oh my gosh!
Oh hell no. Come on.
You just you just used 2 of the shots. Yeah, I got.
Yeah, I know.
I
I got infinite. Now get over here. Come on. I'm sorry, bro.
Let me try.
No witnesses. My shotgun. Come on. Oh, now I'm getting violated.
I can shoot.
Don't kill me. Who just said midget? Isn't that broke?
What's that?
Bambo! Oh, get away from it! Get away!
How are you still alive? Who's laughing now? Come on.
What? Whoa.
Hey, dog!
Y'all killed him? Oh. How you do that?
Yeah, we traded all of his items.
Hey.
Hey, drop it.
Well, I got that.
Where is he? Oh, he's back for round 2. How's he still alive? Okay, yeah, the wrong thing, but whatever. Who do you think you is running away? Who you think you is? Mr. Billy Badass?
Why you scream? Why you screaming?
I don't think.
Why you going like ah?
Oh yeah, I don't want to know what that was.
Yo, you're glitching. What Wi-Fi do you have? McDonald's Wi-Fi?
Actually Wendy's.
What Wi-Fi do you have?
Your mom's Wi-Fi.
Why
Yeah,
can't
use
you-
the password on your Wi-Fi.
Me bombo.
What the hell? Are these bombs?
Whoa, he killed. He killed you.
You killed me. Nah, bro, I'm gonna get my nuclear bomb. Let's see if you're gonna be laughing now. I like you spitting bars. Because I can spit bars, yeah. I'm an animal company.
Get away from me!
If I'm red watch, that means I killed him. How's this boy still alive?
That in.
I got a bombing airstrike. You forgot about that.
What this?
Hell no.
Nah, we're.
I'm sorry, bro.
Kill you.
Goodbye. Wait, I'm gonna. How is this boy still on? You gotta be kidding me. How was you? I'm putting you in stash, I don't care.
You're freaking ass, buddy.
What did you just say? Okay, now you're talking. If you're trying to get my nut trader, good luck.
Ah, shit. I'm I'm cooked. I'm literally cooked.
Yeah, so, boy did my work. And send it off. So, yeah. I didn't have to do anything. Where is everybody? Sneak attack. Wait a minute. I need a bombing airstrike. I need a bombing airstrike. Oh my god.
Purple.
That doesn't fit.
Get in there.
I'm going to kill you. Don't make me kill you. Give me that so I can kill you. No.
What is even that? Uh-oh.
Come here. What?
Why am I not on Roblox?
Who's bombing? Who's bombing? It's Sticker.
Let's
Yeah,
fight.
get out of
Let's
safe
fight.
zone.
Not again. Not again. Not again. Stop that.
It's gonna blow. Yeah, it's gonna blow.
I'm gonna make this server lag a little bit.
I'm Fortnite.
Come get me. Come get me.
Whoa.
Yeah, come get you, bitch. Shit. Shit. Got it.
Wherever you go down that
God damn
wherever you go down.
Bro, if there's a cooldown. Chipmunks.
You gotta get me in safe zone if you want to win.
My. Oh wait, are you gonna make it? They are like animals in the zoo.
Bro said animals like in the zoo.
Pick up to this.
Wait, no.
I got 1, 2.
I didn't do
I got
that.
two
I didn't do
person.
that. It was him.
It was him.
I'm gonna go and stash it. I want my nut trader.
No. You come out here. You come out here.
I want my nut trader back. Okay, I worked. I didn't work hard for it. Just put some right items in here. Okay, we got it. Nut trader secure. Okay. Yeah, I bet. I wanna fight you. You wanna fight me?
Yellow will kill you. White.
Whee!
Oh no. Who hit me?
No, Dad. We don't match.
Where is the yellow one?
Go up. Where went up? Go. You wanna fight?
Yeah, I wanna fight. Let's fight in mountains. Let's fight in mountains. Let's fight in mountains. Yellow. Yellow. Let's fight in mountains. Let's fight in mountains. Yellow. Let's fight in mountains. Yellow. Yellow. Let's fight in mountains. Let's fight in mountains. Let's fight in mountains. Can you
Give me
fight
1
in-
sec.
You just buy your fist. I just want to fight in mountains. Let's see who wins. Can we fight in mountains? I just need.
No, I'm just gonna go
Okay,
play.
I'm gonna use this blicky just in case someone tries to kill us.
Okay, follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
I remember you killed me, bro.
Okay, guys, I can do this. When I say start, we start.
Alright, let's go.
3, 2,
Yo,
1.
what's up?
Oh, I messed them up. What you doing? What you doing? Oh my god.
Okay, I'm
There we go.
stuck in the absolute loop now. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, no problem.
Yo.
Oh my god. Oh. It's crazy. Oh, I knocked him so far. Hey, bro, you wanna come back for round
Yo, come
two?
here.
I'm not.
It's a good thing I respawned.
As soon as each one.
What?
Yo. I wasn't ready.
Oh! Oh my god. Bro, who wanna fight me? Who wanna fight me in mountains?
What the fuck?
I'll go up here.
Hey, bro, you wanna fight? Yeah, you wanna fight me in mountains again? Let's see who wins.
No, you just destroyed my ass.
Yeah.
Give me that.
The black guy's gonna come back for revenge. I don't think he's coming back actually. But whatever. Where is he? It's gonna be like one of the latest parts. Don't tell me he's leaving. Is that him? Still in this lobby? Yeah, still in here. See his name tag. Okay, my only question is, where is he?
No,
I think he ain't never come back.
Fatty. You mean Daddy? Fatty McFatty.
Oh no, you're using guns.
No, my God.
Oh no! Okay, no, just kill
You're
me.
not
Just
leaving
kill me.
anything.
Just kill me. Oh my gosh, just kill me. Just kill me. Just kill me. Just kill me.
You buffoon.
It's happening again. It's happening.
You want to fight me in mountains?
It's happening.
Fight me in mountains.
Taking dog. Take charge.
My beans. My beans.
My fighting ability.
I have double jump. Oh no, I didn't have beans.
A lot of things before we go because I'm important.
Climb back up. Oh, he did. Oh, I didn't leave. Crazy. Bro, fight me again.
Hey, yo, you can run away forever from not.
Bro, fight me again. Follow me. Fight me again.
Okay.
Little Jimbo's gonna
Bro,
hide.
who was you?
Okay, at least I. My farting ability! No! My farting ability! At least I could die.
Oh my god. Still alive? Well, it's been a... guys, I think I'm gonna have to end the video for here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to end the video for here. Yeah, bye guys.